This is all keys lost on a 2018 Peugeot Partner van. This is the key. Now, it's a hire company and they'd ordered the key codes and the password there. So Autel connected to the internet, IMO, accept, go to Peugeot. Turn the ignition on so we can use the automatic selection, read. Okay. Yes, that's it. It's a blade key. Control unit. Immobilizer can. We have the password already, so we don't need to read it. Key learning. It's a 4-digit security code. Is that there? It's W45. Okay. Yes, that's it. Number of keys is 1. So we'll turn the ignition off. Okay, is ignition turned off? Yes. Insert the key to be learned and turn the ignition on in 15 seconds. So I've just turned it back on. Learning succeeded. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Number of keys successful match 1. Okay. To learn manually. Okay, so this should start the van. It does. So we'll turn that off. And the central locking we need to do manually. So we'll put it in. We'll turn and press and hold the lock for 5 seconds. And that's the central locking in there as well. All keys lost on a Peugeot Partner 2018 van.